Hello guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Netflix movies and TV series on your laptop or on your personal computer. So this is a full guide, and if you find it helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to download Netflix movies and TV shows on your computer is pretty simple. But first, you can do it on your browser. So all you need to do is to go ahead and download this Netflix app on your computer or on your laptop. And to do this, I'm going to go to Microsoft Store here. And from here, I'll just go ahead and sign in or create an account. I already have an account on Microsoft Store. And then go to these apps. And you can see we have Netflix app here. If you can't find it, you can also just search for Netflix using the search bar. So if you type in Netflix, you will be taken to official Netflix website. Here it is. Go ahead and click on install to get this Netflix app straight on your computer or on your laptop. And as you can see, the file is not that huge. Within a moment, it should be downloaded. Now, once the download is done, it's time to go ahead and open our app, or you can simply just launch it straight from here. Now from here, go ahead and sign in or create your account. So I already have an account. I'll go ahead and sign in, then log into your account. And now here you'll have access to various TV shows and movies. And from here, head over to any movies or TV show that you wish to download, and then download. And you can see we have even a breakdown of episodes here. Then download any of the episodes or any of the movies that you wish to download per episode. And as you can see, this contains quite a number of them. And once you have downloaded your movies or TV shows, you should be able to find them and play them offline. So that's how you can download movies and TV shows from Netflix on your computer or laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.